Imagine having all the powerhouse AI tools from video and image generation to music and professional editing all tucked into one single platform. Today, we're diving deep into ThankYou AI, a place where limits disappear and true creativity begins. If you're looking for a way to take your content to the next level, this video is exactly for you. Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button for desire and turn on notifications, because we have some incredible AI secrets coming your way. This is the home page of the website you're seeing, and I've placed the link in the description. As we scroll down, we see the AI tools section. There are tons of tools here, from text-to-speech to AI image generators, video generators, AI music generators, and many other tools that could honestly be reviewed in a single video. I want to examine a few of its most important tools and see together what features this platform offers us. In this section, you can filter the tools you want to use. For example, you can choose video, sound, or image tools. You can filter them in order and use exactly what you need. To start, first, we click on the sign-in option here to register on the site. When we click it, this box opens up. You can log in with your Google account or your personal email. If you want to log in with a private email, you can click on Sign Up and register by entering your email and password. As always, I'm logging in with my Google account. Once we've logged in, as you can see down here, it has given me 100 credits, which is honestly great. Right now, while I'm making this video, it gave me 100 credits, so it's basically no different from the site being free, as we'll find out later. From the left side, we click on the Image Generation option. This page opens up for us. From this option, you can upload your own image here if you want to perform any edits on it. From this part, you can choose the size and quality. I'm selecting the 16:9 size, which is landscape. I'll set the quality to 2K and keep the count at 1 so it generates a single image for me. Here, you can choose your image generator model. It has many models like Dream 5 Lite, Nano Banana, Flux 2 Pro, Qwen Image, and other image-making tools. To start, I'll leave it on Dream 5 Lite. The interesting point is that for every image it builds, it deducts 2 credits from us. In other words, you can create 50 images with it, and this is truly unique in its own right. It really gets your work done. Now, in this part, we want to write our prompt. I'm using ChatGPT for help. I'll go to ChatGPT, which I've linked below, and I'll make this request: create surreal image and video prompts with dreamlike, impossible scenes. After writing my request, I hit generate and wait for it to write the prompts for me. After it's finished writing, I'll copy one of them. Since it wrote them in pairs, both image and video prompts, I'll first copy the image prompt. I'll go back to the ThankYou AI site. In this section, I'll paste the prompt I copied. I hit generate and wait for my image to be created. It takes less than 30 seconds for the image to be built. Let's wait together. I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy another prompt, then return to the site. This time, in the Image Generation Models section, I'll select Flux 2 Pro and paste my copied prompt here. I hit generate again so both images are created. We'll wait for the images to be built and see them together. The images are done. Let's go take a look. This is the first image, which is very interesting. It's beautifully surreal and unique. You can download it from here and save it to your system. You can see the second image I made with Flux here. This image is also beautiful. Now, in the credits section, you can see your consumed credits. It only deducted 3 credits from us for 2 images. For the next tool, I'm going to AI video generation. We click on video generation from the left side. Here, I'll go back to ChatGPT and grab one of the video prompts that was there. Again, I'll return to the site. In this section, we paste our prompt. Here, we can choose our video generation model. We have plenty of video creation tools available, such as Kling, Veo 3.1, 2.6, and many other video makers, where using each one only consumes 5 credits. That is very low, and they've made it available to us in the beta version. I'm using Kling 3. I'll keep the size at 16:9 landscape and set the duration to 10 seconds. Finally, I hit generate and wait for it to create the video. Let's wait together for the video to be built. The video is ready, let's see it. The video is interesting clock spinning inside sand and water. It's a deep, surreal video. Now we go to an important part, the agent mode. When we click on the home option, you can use the agent mode here. Here, we can write our prompt. I'll go back to ChatGPT again to get help. I'll write my request like this: create a surreal minimal scene of an elegant woman reading, with floral-inspired fashion and a giant flower beside her, including image, video, and music prompts. After writing, I hit generate and wait for the prompts to be written. I copy the image prompt and return to the site. Now, I paste our prompt in this section. I'll just add one, AR16:9, here so it builds a landscape image for us. Then I hit generate and wait for the agent to start its work. Let's wait together for it to build the image we want. It made our image. It's very beautiful and excellent. It's minimal just as we wanted, but I don't know, maybe I made a mistake in my writing and it didn't make the image landscape for me. Regardless, it's a beautiful image, and you can download it from here and save it to your system. Now I'll go for the video prompt. I copy it, return to the site, and paste it in the prompt section. One thing to note, when you want your image to be converted into a video, you click this option here, and the image is displayed in the prompt section to be taken as a reference. We hit generate and wait to see how it builds the video for us. We'll wait a bit for the video to be created. The video is done, let's go see it.
Just one more page. The petals are waking up. So quiet. So still.
It was excellent. It even followed the lip sync, it has music, and I don't even need to make music for it. It was like meditation videos and very relaxing. On the left, when we click on the template option, you can see ready-made templates here that you can use as well, or you can build something like them yourself with a few changes. In the templates section, you can see exactly how other users are crafting their videos and images. For instance, let's open this one. You can see the specific prompts and settings used to achieve this result. If you follow the steps in the agent mode I explained earlier, you'll see how all these tools are seamlessly interconnected. This is a perfect example of the platform's agentic power. Let's check out another one. In this example, a reference from Nano Banana was used to generate 9 separate images, which were then turned into a cohesive video using Kling AI. You can easily save these templates to your library for inspiration. Anything you save will be waiting for you in the Assets section, ready to be used or tweaked within the agent for your own projects. Finally, I'll go to the AI audio generator. When we click on Audio Gen from the left, this page opens up. It's very easy to use, you just need to copy a prompt here. I'll paste the prompt ChatGPT made for me here. By clicking this, you can tell it that it doesn't need a singer and should just create music. I hit generate and wait for our music to be built. The music is done, let's check it out together. Wow, very relaxing and chill. The platform has many other tools. There are so many that you can try them one by one yourself, and it's impossible to mention all of them in one video. Here, you can also see your consumed credits and view the paid plans. In my opinion, it's one of the most cost-effective and affordable platforms. If you're a content creator, it's very useful for you. You can even get 200 credits for just $5, which is truly incredible. You can make over 100 images with that. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can use this tool to create some truly unique content. Don't forget, I've linked the website and the prompts in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be answering every single one of them. Until the next video here on Desire, stay creative.